डॉक्टर के सुधाकर।
Sir, Speaker, sir, question number 102.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, उत्तर सदन के पटल पर रखा है।
Honorable Speaker, sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी उनको अधिकृत करके गए हैं। माननीय मंत्री जी ने उनको अधिकृत किया है, लेटर में दिया है, अधिकृत किया है।
Honorable Speaker, sir, India is the second largest country in the world in growing of flowers, that is floriculture, in the field of floriculture. Likewise, Karnataka is also the second largest state in the country to be in the field of floriculture. Especially in the districts of Chikballapur, Kolar, Tumkur and Bangalore rural, the small scale and medium scale of farmers, to the tune of 25,000 acres, they grow the flowers. The flower growers lack, unfortunately, the technical guidance, the storage and marketing facilities. In this context, I would like to ask the government whether there is any plan to set up a separate board for floriculture, just like National Horticulture Board and Central Sericulture Board. And if the steps are taken, whether any steps are taken to make Chikballapur as India's hub for floriculture.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपका संरक्षण चाहता हूं, क्योंकि मूल प्रश्न जो है वो ऑर्गेनिक एग्रीकल्चर और परंपरागत कृषि को लेकर के। माननीय सदस्य ने फ्लोरिकल्चर बोर्ड बनाने के ऐसे प्रस्ताव की कोई विचाराधीन है, उस पर चर्चा की है, उस पर जानना चाहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से सदन को अवगत कराना चाहता हूं, माननीय सदस्य को भी अवगत कराना चाहता हूं कि इस तरह का कोई बोर्ड का बनाने का प्रस्ताव अभी वर्तमान में विचाराधीन नहीं है।
Honorable Speaker, sir, my second question will be the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is a revolutionary scheme that has benefited large number of farmers across the country. In 2016, when this scheme was launched in Karnataka, nearly 25 lakh farmers opted for this scheme. However, in the recent years, it has witnessed a dip in enrollments under the scheme due to multiple issues, including delay of claim payouts by private insurance companies. My question to the Honorable Minister in this regard will be whether any steps are taken to ensure Fasal Bima Yojana is made compulsory to all the farmers by reducing their share in premiums for Karnataka.